Hi everyone, I am Dr. Brajendra Singh Sengar, and in this video I am going to talk about Octave. So Octave is a tool similar to MATLAB, but it is open source. So how do you download Octave? Just type Octave. Okay, I have already downloaded. So go to this site. It is very handy software and it works similar to MATLAB. You can do everything. So here it is install and you choose your operating system. So for Windows you can download Octave 5.2. So I have already downloaded. So in this Octave download, it has two kind of like interface. One is command line interface and graphical user interface. You can use as per your flexibility. So I'm more comfortable with command line interface. So you double click this and you will have this command line interface. So you type, like, suppose I want to create a matrix. So it is as simple as that, or simply I want to assign a variable a equal to 2. Okay, so v equal to 4. So you can see when I am using semicolon, it is not throwing the output. So if you do not want the output to be seen, you can just simply put a semicolon. If I want to multiply a into v, so it is simply 8. If I want to divide a by b, it is simply 0.5. And you can do everything, almost everything. You can execute your MATLAB files in Octave as well. So I am showing you some matrix function as well. Suppose I want to create a matrix which is having 1, 2 and 3 column, and suppose 2 row. So this is the matrix. Okay, it creates a single row because I have used column, so I have to use semicolon. So we can learn while doing as well. So it has 2 rows and 3 column, as you can see here. So in this way you can create a matrix and you can multiply with another matrix as well. Suppose I have created different matrix, but it has to be dimension matched. So it has 3 columns. So if I want to multiply with another matrix, it should have 3 rows. And okay, so it should have 3 rows. So 1 and 2, okay, 3 and 4 and 4 and 5, and this is the matrix. Suppose I want to multiply a into b. So this is how we can multiply matrices. And suppose you want to do element operation. So 1 into 1 and 2 into 2. This is not possible in these matrices. So a dot star into b, which is not possible because the third element is not present in B matrix. Okay, so I have to create another matrix, C equal to similar dimension. It should have similar dimension, 2, 4, 5 and 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so now I can do element wise operation. Okay, so this is what you can see. This is a matrix, A into direct multiplication with element C. This will be 2, and 2 into 4 is 8, and 3 into 5 is 15, and 2 into 5 is 10, and you can see the result. Okay, so matrix multiplication solve your lot of problems, and you can do plotting as well. Suppose I have created a time function. So you can learn a lot of command using internet. So suppose I am generating a time function 1, 2 and 10. So this will be creating a line with numbers from 1 to 10, but with difference of 2. So 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Okay, so then I am having a function. I am putting x equal to t. Okay, so x is equal to this one, and I am putting y equal to sine and 2 into pi into suppose the function of x. Okay, so this is all. Now I'm plotting a plot X and Y. So this will show the plot. You can see, like, it's a line. You can, whatever data you are putting, you can create any kind of plots. So you can do plotting, you can do very rigorous kind of mathematics, and you can do statement as well, if, while, and for looping. Everything can be done. Octave is very handy thing for me, because it is free, it is open source in comparison to MATLAB. So thank you everyone. So if you want more content like this, follow my YouTube channel. Link is in description. Thank you.